How do you guys even like make your face look sun-kissed? I hope you may make it anyway. Today I feel like showing you a little bit of my living room, like watu wananiambiaga niwafanyie inaitwa nini? House tour. Sijaipata time, sijai kuwa free. By the way, nimekuwa nikifanya kazi from Monday to Monday, but I have hii wiki imebidi ni take a rest. I've gone through something that's so unfortunate, but yeah, we move regardless. Yeah, let me just stop ranting. Acha niwapeleke straight into it. Guys, to mwingie na mimi, like this is what you see when you first open my house. I know kila kitu iko kila mahali, but yeah, that's my living area. I have like a small, no, this is, I used it as art, but it's a real game. It's inaitwa dart. Iko na zile vitu magnetic za kucheza, but me I just found it beautiful, nikasema ndaitumia kama wall art. So yeah, and then I bought these curtains from Italy, and then there's this tiny chair for the baby. So I was saying this, I cut it off kidogo. I was talking to a client, and then these curtains, when I got them from Italy, they're really disappointing me. The height, ni refu excess, so like they're not giving what they're supposed to be giving. But anyway, yeah, then that's my set of seats. Iko na hizo nini tatu. And then there's this, it is like a study table. I used it as it is a study table, but I don't know, haikai vizuri hapo maliko. But unajua mimi si interior designer, plus I don't even have time to like even organize my house, but ni sawa tu. Hapa ni toys za mtoto zimekwa, hatukufikiria anywhere else we can put them. But if you are having an idea, by the way, or if you are an interior designer, sikuja tu nionyeshe how I'm supposed to go about these things. And then there goes my TV stand and Wi-Fi and everything. And then there's this. These are just baby stuff, ndo ziko all over, mtani forgive. And then yeah, ring light as obvious. Iyo ni sitaki kuonesha, it's really dirty because I've not had time. But iyo ni inaitwa aquarium. My baby loves watching the fish, so I just decided to like buy a few of them. Nimweke hapo akwe akiziwatch. And then there's this beautiful art. And there goes the dining area, and I have like a small mirror over there. And this is baby's mat. I know you guys are wondering why I'm putting it over there. I don't have a reason. Ni vile tu sikuwa nataka itandikwe chini. And then yeah, tell me if you like it. I'll do a